Do you like your toy? Yeah? No? Press it. No? Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say welcome back to Maya's Galaxy. Yay!
Mama, Daddy.
Say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Maya wants to do an unboxing.
Yay.
You ready to open your stuff? Open. So look, show them. So this is called a Rainbocorn sweet shake surprise. Right now, it has a unicorn horn and some sprinkles. You ready to open this? Okay, open. Whoa! Take it out. Look, Mai. It's your rainbow corn. Smell it. Smell it with your nose. Go. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Kind of smells like ice cream or birthday cake. Can we show the camera your toy? Show the toy to your camera. Here, pick it up, pick it up. It's so cute. Let's see, let's show them. Ooh. And look, it has wings with fuzzy balls inside. It has polka dots. And look, I think it plays music. It talks, baby. Press it. Press the right hand. What? Press it again. Press it again. Yeah, ice cream. Look, she said ice cream, guys. It has ice cream on the tummy. Yeah, ice cream. So this heart right here, we gotta take it out. What's in here, baby? Take it out, take it out.
What am I?
It's a cup. It's a cup, Booba. Show the camera your cup. Cup. And you got a spoon. Spoon. You can open this one now, but we're gonna make the slime ice cream another time, okay? Yeah, for ice cream. So let's see what this surprise is. You wanna open it? Rip it. Here, pull it. Nice, good job. Now take it out. What's in there? What? You got a donut? Show them your donut. Okay, so let's see your ice cream surprise. Ooh. Look, can I show the camera? Hey, look. Let me put it close so we can see it up close. Here, you big bully. Here's your spoon. So this says here, dun dun dun, you create your own sweet shake. So it's actually slime. We're not gonna make the slime right now, but maybe we can make the slime in another video for you guys. It's donut and a cookie. Ooh, look at that cookie.
A cookie.
It's a cookie. And look at the donut. Cool, right? Don't eat the cookie. This also comes with a heart. It comes in the front of the ice cream cone, the big one, and you see it drips.
Yummy.
Yummy. loves ice cream. I think her favorite ice cream is Cold Stone. Mmm, that's a good cookie. So like you see all the glitter and it's filled with water. So you take this and this goes away in the middle right here. And it has this little clip in the back. So you clip it in. I also want to see what's the name of your rainbow corn, baby. Dun dun dun. Do we see her name yet? Let me see. Let me see the other side. Oh, she's milk scented. So that's what she smells like. She smells like strawberry milk, kind of. She smells really good. She smells good, right? And her name is actually Rocky. So that's all for today, right, Mai? We all done? We all done, Mai? Yeah? So say thank you for watching. Say come again. And say don't forget to hit that notification bell. Say hit that bell. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching Maya's Galaxy. Peace. Say peace.